is the moment, tonight is the night.
Good morning, everyone. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on Bitcoin. So, yeah, we're seeing some life on Bitcoin. Obviously, we're getting stuck at this previous area of previous area of support that's flipped resistance. So you can see we've been struggling to break over it since October 17th. So we came up here once, twice. Once we break out of here, then we're going to look back and be like, hey, our area of support held, and the targets on the upside are still valid, which in my opinion is 139 and 148. That's how I'm playing my portfolio. So I think that if we do break below 103, that basically the top is in, and like I have to figure out what I'm going to do with my altcoins. But we're not there yet, okay? So we're still actually holding support. We're hanging on, and I still believe that, again, we're going to consolidate and maybe get a little bit of pushback up in the relief rally. And then hopefully we have money rotating into Ethereum and then altcoins, which is what I'm still hoping on. Now, if you're watching me, I'm not like, I don't know. I'm just like you, right? I watch other YouTubers, and a lot of other YouTubers say, oh, the top is in, it's a bear market. Or they're like, hey, we're going to the moon, we're going to $200,000. I don't know. So this is just my opinion and what I think and how I'm playing my portfolio. Like I've been saying in the live streams, and what we've been saying it for a while now, if the bear market does start, I am going to only be a Bitcoin maxi. And full disclosure, this channel and me, like I have my Robinhood app, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be pulling it up, and we're only going to be buying Bitcoin, and I'm going to be making Bitcoin videos almost every single day. I'm going to try to make Bitcoin videos every single day. The reason why I have these vertical lines drawn is because, for example, I'm going to have a strategy of buying Bitcoin because I don't have a lot of capital. Okay, so for example, on the daily, when you see the when we're in a bear market, you make lower lows when the RSI hits oversold, right? So what I'm going to do is on the daily, I'm going to be putting in a couple $100. Like say I think the bear market started and we get a big move down and the RSI is oversold. That's when I'm going to start buying Bitcoin. So I'm going to be like, hey, make my first time buying Bitcoin. $100 here, $200 here, and stuff like that. So the next time I would buy would be here, 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 and I'll be buying the entire way down. Now the majority of my capital, so for example, using some rough numbers, like if I see these if I see the RSI on the weekly extremely oversold, which has happened again in the last 10 years, 1, 2, 3 times on Bitcoin, literally the data is right here in front of your face. Okay, so if I see this here, no matter where Bitcoin is, no matter where it ends up being, right? I am going to put in a pretty big buy order, because what that's telling me is that we've bottomed and we're either coming back and refilling it, kind of like what happened twice, right? We bottomed and then we came down, we tested it before we went up. We bottomed, we came back and we tested it before we bottomed. So on the daily, I'm still going to have the opportunity to dollar cost average down, but my majority of the capital is going to go in when the weekly RSI is extremely oversold. So that's my play. That's my take. So just FYI, that's how I'm playing the game next cycle. So do I think that's the case yet? No, because I still have my altcoins, and I still believe that we still have an opportunity to go up. So let's see. Looking at Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, so looking at Bitcoin dominance, it does look like we are printing red, which is good. Given that we're just waiting for Bitcoin dominance to drop below 54%, in my opinion, to get some sort of alt season and a move up from altcoins. So I'm hoping it goes down and we get some sort of relief for these coins that dropped 50 to 60%, like not but 2 weeks ago. I hope this all made sense. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. Thank you so much for all your support. I will keep everybody updated. Have a great day, and I'll catch everybody in the next live stream. Sorry, I'll catch everybody in the next video. That's funny. I thought I was making a live video.